Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 B8 headliner. First, let's prepare by gathering our essential tools. You will need a T25 Torx bit, a trim removal kit, and a right-angle flat screwdriver. Next, recline both front seats completely and lay a protective blanket over your interior. This helps prevent damage. Finally, and very importantly, disconnect your car's battery to avoid any electrical issues or accidental airbag deployment during the process. Now, let's move on to disassembling the interior components. Begin by carefully removing the central dome light, followed by the sun visors and their clips. For the 4 grab handles, use a right-angle hook tool to release their anchor pins, exercising caution to prevent breaking the plastic. Next, gently pry off the A, B, and C pillar trims. Remember, most of these are secured by clips, so patience is key. With the trim removed, we can now focus on detaching the headliner itself. If your vehicle has a sunroof, first tilt the glass up, remove its 2 accordion covers, and then remove the 6 T25 screws to take out the glass panel. Next, slide the sunshade panel forward and remove its 4 Phillips head screws. Then, carefully release any remaining clips or fasteners securing the headliner board, especially around the sunroof opening and along the edges. Finally, it's time for the careful extraction and reinstallation. With all attachments released, gently maneuver the headliner out of the vehicle. This is often best done through a rear door or the trunk, with the front seats pushed forward. For reinstallation, simply reverse these steps, ensuring every clip and screw is properly secured. Having a second person to assist with guiding the headliner back into place can greatly prevent damage to the board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.